Game development is not easy. That's why I take this challenge on me so I can test myself. I gave myself only 7 days to learn game development. So let's start our journey. So the first problem I faced was to choose the game engine. There are several game engines out there, but I took the 4 most popular game engine. Number 1 Game Maker, number 2 Godot, number 3 Unreal Engine, and number 4 Unity. I found out Game Maker is made for 2D games. So and Godot, talking of Godot, no, the 2 epic game engine left. I waste a lot of time deciding which one should I take. So that's why I asked my friends, and most of them said Unity because Unity has a lot of tutorials on YouTube and also a lot of free to use asset. Now the second thing is what coding language I choose. So I found out C# is fairly easy and have a lot of tutorials from Berkey's and other game devs. Yeah, let's go. So in day 1, I think I have made the most progress in day 1 because I made play menu. That's I think only took me 2 to 3 hours, and also the camera movement that also take me 2 to 3 hours, and I learned a lot of things in day 1. I mean a lot of things, and I tried making a camera switcher so I can switch back and forth to my third person and FPS camera like in Minecraft. That was a failed attempt, but I found tutorials and then it was working. Second day, I made my player move every direction. That take a lot of time, and also I learned more about Pro Builder that helped you make your game level. That is very useful. I think you should try that. And after that, I made some post processing. I really like post processing. That made everything live and real. Day 3. It started off by adding some other things to my post-processing, and then I made gravity to my player so it will fall down, and then I found very cool sky blocks named Sky Series. It has a lot of sky blocks. It look cool and amazing. Just look at this. And then the remaining day spent wasting my time figuring out how the heck cinema machine worked. It was not working. I just wasted my whole day. So there was no work in day 4 because I just downloaded some asset and test Unity things like post processing more, Pro Builder and other things. I found this asset called Marsland, and I thought I will make a game on Mars, but it was difficult. And then I added pickaxe and hand and then a spaceship, low poly spaceship. That look amazing. So this day was ruined and wasted, but I learned a lot of things about Unity and asset, how did they work. Day 5. I don't have any game plan. What should I do? That's why I thought to make a parkour game where we can go from tile to tile and complete the level beating enemies. And yeah, I work on that from Pro Builder, and also I made pause menu. That was not working. That took me 4 hours. It was still not working. Day 6. I started the day by making some option menu like resolution drop down, quality setting, and full screen toggle. And yeah, resolution drop down was not working. And then I added some double jumps. And yeah, that was also not working. And then I tried edit coordinates. And yeah, that was not still working. I was stressed in day 6. I was really stressed. I watched a lot and lot of tutorials how to add coordinates, and I can't get it right. I don't know why. That was the easiest thing in the game. The double jump was not working, resolution drop down was not working, and coordinate was not working, and also the pause menu. Day 7. I made some pickaxe like crystal. I mean I only make one, and also make some animations for that. Animation is very easy, and also I did a lot of debugging and nothing was working like day 6, and I gave up. Lesson learned number 1. Game development is not easy, and also the coding. Lesson learned number 2. Make a game plan before you make a game. It's very important to make a game plan, which type of game you want to make, and which things you want to make, RPG, FPS, PvP, anything. Always have a game plan before you make a game.